Hey everyone! In this video, I'll take a look at this digital decorating kit from AtmosFX. Now, full disclosure, they sent me this kit for free to do a review, and while I don't usually do videos like this, Halloween is my favorite holiday, and it's less than a week away, so I said, what the heck, why not? The main feature of this kit is the projector, and it's actually a decent little projector. The native resolution is 800 by 480, so it's not HD or anything, but that's plenty for the decoration videos they include here, and even for playing video games and stuff. It supports HDMI, USB, and SD card inputs. It also has an IR receiver for a remote, which it comes with, as well as a 3.5mm audio output jack and an audio video input jack. It comes with a tripod, which is pretty short, but still useful for adjusting the alignment of the screen. And there are two mounting holes, one on the side for a vertical display, and one on the bottom for a standard horizontal display. And then, of course, it comes with some of their decoration videos on this SD card. They also include a projection surface, which is slightly translucent. So the way I have it set up here isn't really ideal since you can see the closet door and vent through it. But if you put it in a doorway or over an entire window, it looks great. And you can project these creepy videos that really add a nice touch to your Halloween decorations. So here's one of the decoration videos it comes with. And here's another one. And this one, I think, is the creepiest. If you played this in your window on Halloween night, you're sure to creep out some trick-or-treaters. But it does come with 14 different decoration videos like these. Plus you can buy additional videos individually from their website. You aren't limited to their content, or even limited to using it as a Halloween decoration. In fact, it works just fine as a general purpose projector since it has HDMI, and it supports playback of most video formats. Here, I've got it connected to one of my Raspberry Pis, so I can play video games, or even stream movies on it. So there are cheaper projectors out there. This whole kit runs for about $200, but that does include the tripod, the screen material, the remote, and the SD card with 14 of their decoration videos. And by the way, if you already have a projector, you can just buy their videos in digital format and use them right away. They've got some pretty cool videos, so I'll leave a link for that in the description. But until next time, happy Halloween!